Hey guys, welcome back to the Honda Resource. Thanks so much for joining me on this video. So today I'm coming back with another sponsor video from MaXpeedingrods. On this video it's going to be a little different because we're actually reviewing a tool instead of a part. So this is a universal blind bearing puller with a slide hammer. So it has 8 colettes. They range from size 8mm up to 32mm. It has a slide hammer in here. So basically what you do is just put this into your bearing. You would hold this part with a wrench. That's a little flat spots for the wrench. And you would turn this with another wrench, and it expands this outer part into your bearing. And then once that's in place, use a slide hammer, you thread it into the back of it, and then you can slide it, and it pulls this out, as you'll see here shortly. So I do a lot of manual transmission rebuilds and that kind of stuff for Hondas, and sometimes this input shaft bearing gives issues getting out, so we just have to go through these until we find the one that we need. Alright, so once the tool is installed into the bearing, such as this, I'm going to take the slide hammer and just put it in there, and then you just bump it up. Bingo, it comes out just that easy. And if you've ever done one of these, you can see the value in having this tool. Alright guys, thanks for stopping by the channel. Check out this video. Again, thanks to Macy at MaXpeedingrods for sending me over this blind bearing puller. If you think you can find this bearing puller useful, link in the description, and you can pick you up one today. But then I also have a discount code, YEAT1, which will give you 15% off on this tool and anything else that you find on MaXpeedingrods website. That includes their coilovers, their turbos, K-Series jumper harnesses, traction bars, you name it, they probably have it. Go over there and check them out today, and see if you can find something you can use. Again, discount code YEAT1 works for 15% off on anything site-wide on MaXpeedingrods.com. And make sure you like the video, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one, YouTube. Peace. What are we trying to do? Slide it. Yeah, like smash the mercy brake. I know, but sometimes it won't do it. I think it'll work out. Yeah. Well, that bumper is something else. Anybody need a fresh? You can. Anybody need a fresh 98 to? I made it a minute ago. Anybody need a fresh 98 to 01 bumper? I got you. 98 01, whatever. 98 01 bumper. Yeah. You pulled it too late. I don't see how that bumper is still staying on. What's he doing?
Go there again.
I just wanna be the greatest. Everybody knows my name, so nobody able to delay this. Coming up, I had a vision to make it. Never wanted to be nothing, always wanted to place it. Different if we all know the same shit. I ain't never let them doubt me. It's about me. Keep my head down, let my mouth speak. They surround me. They all about the clout. See where the crowd be. Every time I speak, watch out now, see?
I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah. I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous.